Tired of worrying about the trees on your property? Welcome to Canary Tree Services INC, your trusted tree care experts right here in Dallas, Texas. For over 25 years, we've been the community's choice for keeping their properties safe and beautiful. Our services include tree removal, tree trimming, storm-damaged tree cleanup, residential and commercial tree services, stump grinding. Don't wait for upgrade your backyard. Call us today at 214-914-7904 or visit our website at canarytreeservicesinc.com. Let Canary Tree Services INC help you maintain a safe and stunning landscape.